Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop application from running in the background on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side select privacy and security. On right side scroll down guys. Here's option app permissions. You can select for each one of these items in here. So for example, I'm doing in camera guys. Turn off all applications of camera users. You can just really do like this, turning off this camera access. It will turn off every access in your application uses of it, and like this you can turn it off any of in here applications, microphone, voice activation, notification, everything can turn it off guys. Somebody's get notification all time in any certain apps. You can access really turn off it by clicking notification access, turn it off or anything like that. You can also turn it off a certain app guys. In here list you will be getting it. You click on it and turn it off, and you can do it for every apps in here guys. You can stop accessing from it anything, messages or anything like that. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.